Ever wondered if all tigers are orange with black stripes? Let's delve into the world of an extraordinary creature known as the Maltese tiger, a mystifying variant that shatters our stereotypical image of these majestic beasts. The Maltese tiger, also known as the blue tiger, is unique for its remarkable blue or gray coat, a stark contrast to the familiar orange and black. This distinctive coloration is where the term Maltese originates. It doesn't reference the Mediterranean island, as one might guess, but rather, it denotes an unusual color variant found in many species, from cats to rabbits, and yes, even tigers. It's a term that paints a picture of the exotic and the mysterious, just like the Maltese tiger itself. The first reports of these fascinating creatures emerged in the late 19th century. These tales came from the dense, unexplored forests of southeast China, where locals spoke of a strange blue-gray tiger lurking in the shadows. These stories intrigued explorers and naturalists alike, who ventured into the wilderness to catch a glimpse of this elusive creature. In those times, the world was still full of undiscovered wonders, and the thought of a blue tiger sent ripples of excitement through the scientific community. The idea that something so extraordinary could exist, hidden away in the depths of the Chinese forests, was a tantalizing prospect. It was a testament to the vast diversity and richness of our planet's wildlife. The Maltese tiger might have been dismissed as a mere legend if it wasn't for the skin and bones that surfaced in local markets. These tangible pieces of evidence confirmed the existence of the blue tiger, and suddenly, the legend became a reality. The blue tiger was no longer a creature of myth and folklore, but a living, breathing part of our world's fauna. Thus, the Maltese tiger stepped out of the shadows and into human knowledge. Yet, despite this, the blue tiger remained shrouded in mystery, a tantalizing enigma in the vast tapestry of nature. In the early 20th century, the Maltese tiger, also known as the blue tiger, evolved from a rumor to a creature of interest. This elusive beast, shrouded in mystery, was the subject of numerous accounts and sightings, particularly in China, where it was rumored to roam the dense forests of the Fujian province. One of the earliest and most compelling accounts came from Harry Caldwell, an American missionary and avid hunter, who ventured to China in the early 1900s. Caldwell's fascination with the natural world and his penchant for adventure led him to the remote corners of the Fujian province, a place teeming with wildlife and untouched by the hands of modernity. Caldwell's accounts of the Maltese tiger paint a vivid picture of a creature unlike any other. According to his descriptions, the tiger bore an unusual blue-gray hue, a coloration that was both beautiful and eerie, lending the animal an almost spectral quality. This, coupled with the tiger's rare sightings, earned it the moniker the Blue Phantom. Caldwell's claims were met with both intrigue and skepticism. While some dismissed his accounts as mere fabrications, others were captivated by the possibility of such a creature's existence. The Blue Phantom was not just a tiger, it was a symbol of the mysteries that still lay hidden within nature's folds, a testament to the wild and untamed beauty of our world. The Blue Phantom's allure was not limited to its unusual coloration. Its elusive nature, the rarity of its sightings, and the intrigue that surrounded its existence all contributed to its growing fame. It was a living enigma, a creature that sparked curiosity and wonder, a symbol of the unexplored and the unknown. In the years that followed, the Blue Phantom continued to captivate the world's curiosity. It became a subject of numerous studies and expeditions, with scientists and adventurers alike venturing into the heart of the Fujian forests in hopes of catching a glimpse of this elusive creature. The Blue Phantom, as it was sometimes called, began to captivate the world's curiosity. As decades passed, the Maltese tiger remained elusive, but its story continued to grow. During the mid-20th century, the Maltese tiger became a focal point of scientific curiosity. Researchers and wildlife enthusiasts alike were intrigued by its unique blue-gray coat, a stark contrast to the familiar orange and black stripes of its more common counterparts. This distinctive hue sparked a flurry of theories and speculation. Some scientists proposed that the Maltese tiger's unusual coloration might be the result of a genetic mutation. They hypothesized that this mutation affected the distribution and concentration of pigments in the tiger's fur. This theory was exciting, as it suggested a new avenue of exploration into the genetic diversity of the tiger species. Others were more skeptical, suggesting that the reported sightings of the Maltese tiger were simply misinterpretations of lighting conditions or the result of a trick of the eye. They argued that the blue-gray stripes might be an optical illusion caused by the interplay of light and shadow in the tiger's natural habitat. The Maltese tiger was also the subject of several scientific studies during this period. Researchers attempted to gather evidence to support or refute the various theories, but the elusive nature of the tiger made it difficult to obtain conclusive data. They examined photographs, analyzed reported sightings, and even conducted genetic analyses on samples purported to be from the Maltese tiger. However, the results were often inconclusive, adding to the mystery and intrigue surrounding the creature. The scientific community was not the only group captivated by the Maltese tiger. The general public, too, was fascinated by the tales of this unusual creature. Stories and legends about the Maltese tiger proliferated, often featuring the tiger as a symbol of mystery and the unknown. Despite the intrigue, the Maltese tiger remained a creature of myth and speculation. Even as the scientific community continued to probe its secrets, the Maltese tiger retained its enigmatic aura, a blue phantom in the annals of wildlife history. In the late 20th century, the Maltese tiger, already rare, became even harder to find. This elusive creature, with its unique blue-gray coat, was faced with a myriad of threats that made its survival increasingly precarious. The primary factor that led to the decline in Maltese tiger populations was habitat loss. Rapid urbanization and agricultural expansion meant that the dense forests, the tiger's natural habitat, were disappearing at an alarming rate. As their home diminished, so did their numbers. Poaching was another major threat. The Maltese tiger's unusual coloration made it a coveted prize for hunters and collectors. Its hide was a symbol of status and wealth, and it fetched a high price on the black market. Despite strict laws against hunting and trading endangered species, the enforcement was weak, and the penalties were not deterrent enough. This, coupled with the tiger's shrinking habitat, made it an easy target. The combination of these factors led to a steady decline in the Maltese tiger population. Sightings became less frequent, and by the late 20th century, they almost ceased altogether. The last confirmed sighting of a Maltese tiger was in the late 1900s. Since then, despite numerous expeditions and extensive research, no confirmed sightings have been reported. This disappearance has left a void in the heart of wildlife enthusiasts and conservationists. The Maltese tiger, once a mesmerizing mystery, seemed to vanish as silently as it had appeared. Its loss is not just a blow to biodiversity, but also a harsh reminder of the impact of human activities on our planet's wildlife. The tale of the Maltese tiger serves as a stark warning, a call to action for conservation, and a reminder that we must do better to protect the Earth's precious and diverse inhabitants. Today, the Maltese tiger remains a legend, a symbol of the mysteries that nature still holds. As we delve deeper into the 21st century, our fascination with this elusive creature is as alive as ever. The Maltese tiger, with its striking blue coat and mysterious aura, continues to capture the imagination of scientists, wildlife enthusiasts, and the public alike. In the realm of scientific research, the quest to find evidence of the Maltese tiger's existence is ongoing. Biologists, geneticists, and wildlife experts tirelessly comb through historical records, scrutinize tiger populations, and analyze DNA samples, all in the hopes of uncovering a trace of this fabled beast. While definitive proof remains elusive, the pursuit of the Maltese tiger is a testament to our enduring curiosity and our thirst for understanding the world around us. But the significance of the Maltese tiger extends beyond the scientific realm. It holds an important place in our culture, appearing in literature, art, and folklore. Its unique blue hue and enigmatic nature have inspired countless stories, paintings, and even films, making it a cultural icon. The Maltese tiger serves as a powerful symbol of the wild's untamed beauty and the enchanting mysteries it still harbors. Moreover, the Maltese tiger plays a crucial role in raising awareness about tiger conservation. As we marvel at the possibility of a blue tiger, we are reminded of the urgent need to protect these majestic creatures and their habitats. The Maltese tiger's tale underscores the importance of biodiversity and the dire consequences of habitat loss and poaching. The Maltese tiger, whether it prowls in reality or only in our imaginations, continues to captivate and inspire us. Its legend serves as an enduring reminder of the wonders of the natural world and our responsibility to preserve them. As we continue to unravel the mysteries of the Maltese tiger, we are not just seeking answers about its existence, but also reflecting on our relationship with nature and our role in its preservation. The Maltese tiger, whether it prowls in reality or only in our imaginations, continues to captivate and inspire us.